Hi, welcome to Curiosity TV. Go to a site named Creative Life. CreativeLife.com. CreativeLife.com.
Clap for yourself. 100 plus 100 is equals to 100 plus 100 is how much? 200 plus 1 is how much? 500 plus 500 is how much? 500 plus 500.
We are now at CreativeLife.com. On this CreativeLife.com, and this is a platform that allowed you to design and also learn design and learn on this platform. You can just click on this sign up button to sign up on this platform, but we don't need anything on this platform. Our job and mission on this platform is different. What we need on this platform, just scroll down and click on what? Become an affiliate. That's what we need. Once you click on become an affiliate, you'll be taken to a page you'll be taken to a page where you have the ability to sign up, then direct traffic to most of their content. People love getting things creative, people love learning things online. You can go to this platform, then sign up as an affiliate, then help them promote their product. This is a fast product that are moving, such as Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW minimum. That's just it. Let me show you the top site you can go to get traffic, to drive traffic for this. You can go to Quora.com. You can also go to Medium.com and many more. That's it for today. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop an awesome video just like this. Thanks.